take half kg beef mince, add 1 tablespoon garam masala, half tablespoon salt, 4 chopped medium green chilies, add 1 tablespoon garlic and ginger paste, half tablespoon sugar, add 1 lemon, mix it well with spoon or you can use your hand to mix. Now let it get marinated for some time. Make a mixer jar, add cinnamon, add cardamom, add black pepper, add cloves, add half teaspoon cumin, half tablespoon turmeric, 2 long green chilies, 2 red Kashmiri chilies, add little water to grind. Add 1 tablespoon garlic and ginger paste, cover the lid, grind the mixture, make fine paste. Now let's prepare coconut milk. For that you need to take another mixer jar, add 1 grated coconut, grind it slightly. Now add little water, again grind it slightly. Now our coconut grinded paste is ready. Take a bowl, place strainer on it, pour the coconut grinded paste, squeeze it well with your hand. Now put the remaining coconut shreds back to the mixer. Add little water and grind it again. Okay, now repeat the same procedure once again. Here you will get 2 extracts. One will be thick coconut milk and the second one will be thinner. So you can use the thicker one for the recipe which we are doing, and the thinner one, if you wish, you can add it to the curry, or you can use for some other curry, or you can add it to vegetable. You can make curry of it. Now let's take a kadai, add some oil, add 2 chopped big onions, stir it well, let it get cooked on a medium flame. Now let's add 2 chopped tomatoes, stir it well. Now let's add grinded masala from the mixer jar. Stir it well. Let the masala get mixed properly in the kadai. Now add 1 teaspoon sugar. Let masala get cooked in the kadai. Keep it on a low flame. Now let's prepare small meatballs with the palm of hands. Now add very little water in the mixer jar in which we had grinded masala. Pour the masala water in the kadai. Let it get steamed, and now carefully add the meatballs in the kadai. Cover the lid, let it get steamed for 8 to 10 minutes. Now open the lid. Here you can see our meatballs have extracted the water out. So now turn it very carefully. Do not stir it. Now add half tablespoon salt, add half lemon for taste if required, add 1 veg Maggi cube, now stir it slowly. Let it get cooked for more 5 minutes. Now let's add thick coconut milk in the kadai. Stir it well. Let it get cooked for more 5 minutes. You can see our meatball curry is almost ready. You can add some coriander. Stir it gently. Now our meatball curry is ready to serve. I hope you like this video. Do like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching Granny's Top Kitchen.